What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download any music from YouTube as an MP3 file right now. So if you want to find out how to download any YouTube music as an MP3 file, make sure you watch this video. For this, all you need is a computer and a YouTube account, and it's super simple and super easy to do. Once you're on the YouTube website, click on the top right hand corner on your profile and click on the YouTube Studio icon, and this is going to open up the YouTube Creator Studio when it loads. It can take a second, but when it loads, it'll load up the YouTube Creator Studio just like this. Now guys, once you're on this studio, if you look on the left hand side, there is this button here that says Audio Library. If you click on this button, it opens up this massive audio library with official YouTube songs that you can download as an MP3 file onto your computer. As you can see, you can search through the library, pick genres and all that sort of stuff, and then you can pick the songs and just come here and press download, and it will actually let you download it as an MP3 file. Look at that, Wildfire Jesse Villa, MP3 format sound, and that is how to download MP3 songs from YouTube to your computer.